Sunrise kaya ang sunrise. Duway tanda karagulogid ka walking. Asa ko pala dyan ka Fatimati pa. Higyan mo restaurant nanda. San Lorenzo ragay may isdaan. Te ko daan ko nga baston mo to kay na ningit santi ka mun sila.
Ay, hindi mo labot.
Nalabot ni auntie ang ang kamunsel. Diyan may singiton pagitan na ho. Kapti. Abaw, may tunok.
May tunok ay kamun.
Aray ko, sakit. Ay, ti ari tiyo. Tinabo lang tiyo.
Ay, bulon ta. Garing may kaano diyan.
Ako be.
Ay, buyokon ta, buyokon.
Amora na.
Oo, dabo lang.
Oh, pasi dugi ka pa din May isa pag ito punta.
Dali na pala hindi na
Haningit ka. Ayan guys, oh. Sa room, mo raman dyan biraw naman nanti. Para drawa, bitok. Kapit tayo yung isda. Salmoniti. Aloy. Kita mo. Snacks nila because they are pouring the color. Okay, so the colors are up. It's poured but not the footings are poured. Right there it's wet. That two over there. It's kind of wet too. Sa may kasada. Good morning. So today is Saturday. No walking today. Me and Dad is going to the market. Absent kami sa walking 101. This is our Saturday version walking na mo ni Ante. Kaya waay kami ka walking. Kaya nanindagan na kami kay Saturday. Ay ti pwede kita katabok ko te. Turaw ko tayo sa lahat. Diyan lang kami ma-walking. Hambalan ka kung aga ang aray ko. Sa aga ang hinas. O, diba? Hapon, yawan kami ka See, the future resort. Na, pwede ka namin, water dahil, ocean front. Waterfront. So this is our future resort. Bahay ko muna, See? With the coconut bars. Wow. That's cilantro. I planted from the store. There's my basil. Celery. Aloe vera. Green pepper. Spring onion. Oregano. Mint.
Kaya talaga na to, si Bulak at si si Justin.
Hindi takot. Amo siya, bulong ko dyan. Ano ang madaog to kasi gini?
Tapos, tiko yung kado abrihan ko.
Number.
Are may nagaturo giya ho. O, nakita mo. Are nagaturo na Te, muran ang pula-pulang ran nga. Nga sa top. Ang tanan, hood. Ay, makita mo sa ano kung po, ano dyan isa, halin sa top dyan, tubig nga dyan, oh, nakuro.
Nakuro, no? Ay, hindi na yan. Butangan abi kasi hindi sa sulod.
Hindi. Basi, amura pala kay maan mo, nagatuwas to ang mga atop mo, ang lukay na, ang
Ibang
lipa na.
kayado, no?
Iway bala hapnig haw. Ay, siyempre sa hangin pag yun na, may gani, may screen.
Bibil, oh, ito ano yung ano? Ang hose.
Yung ipatubod ka na eh.
Pakita ka rin. Ayan, ang yeah. Absent kami Sabado, Domingo, kay weekend. We are back walking by the beach. Natin na. No. It's low tide eh.
You see under all of them.
It's like a lift. But that's
I think it's a mop.
daw maple leaf. All the way over. Cow poop? That's not a cow poop.
That's a rock.
I know. It hurts right here. Oh, we don't have flip. We don't have our flip.
Oh, the plants?
may nagkakanta?
Get ang mga leads tubig din.
Let's go all the way over there again.
Ay, hindi ito kagid dyan. Hindi.
It feels weird over here. Look at the mountain. What's that? Oh.
Seal.
I thought it was
Tapos yung tapos mo na po sa.
and we think it's to kill you.
Ay, be careful. It might be jellyfish, ha?
You're going over there. Hindi nakagit.
Ay, dapat kayo nagkakapit sa tangalo na.
Naga, ano, parapet.
Oo, nagyan mo mo kanta kinaway pang gano'n. Ay pa. Oo, makambukambuk na.
Sinabi ka mo yung away sunda. Ay, gali mo pabasa, sanda. Oo. They are making charcoal right here.
Ang ano sa orihe ka na ako pala akong magbalik. Iba to.
Mga baka. Today's bakal. Balatong 80 pesos. Kung ano rin pakita mo isda te? Isda nga sobra isa kilo.
200. Ay,
350. 320.
320.
250 ang kilo.
Hindi agin ang reklamo ko.
Lain-lain.
May 350.
Stephanie and I going to the chicken coop because we are going to vlog the rooster egg. Yep. Fernan said the rooster has laid egg and it looks weird. Yeah, right here. It's really dark right now. Right here, because there. That's the rooster egg. See? I know.
Can you eat it?
I don't think so. It's like, see? But there's a crack on it. See? I was gonna keep it just to be keeping it. But yep, that's the rooster egg. Ay, napanaw sandaro. A swarm. Oh, di gyud na magtusan na kanaton. Maya rate. What is
Did you
this?
can't pick up a cheese?
Is this a bulldog noodles? Cheesy bulldog? Juliana and Stephanie always made this. So it's a bunch of bamboo poles with fish nets in it. Naamo ka rin eh. Bamboo. Ah, so this is what it looks like. Oh. Oo. Tapos, ang good man tayo, no? It's just super low tide.